brothers, sisters, I are doing this. Boy, our cuddle. Yeah, so I did some donation to the less privileged kids to one of the locals or villages around Winneba. And that was really beautiful. So food video coming soon. And after the donation or the distribution of the clothes, these were some of the things the kids were requesting.
Everybody, a socks, Marty, a shoe, Marty, a bag, you Marty, what to be a Marty. Everybody, oh yeah, what to be a Marty. Marty, more should be a bro, what to be a bro, okay, what to be a bro, Biscuit, and your bag, what to be a bro, Marty, what to be a bro, Marty, much light, I'll much light, bad now, you Marty, what to be a bro, if I shoot a black, Marty. If a coach here. Everybody. Marty. Oh, yeah, Marty. If a coach here, Marty. Also, a coach here. Yeah. A coach here. Yes. I can show you. No, or shoe more. It's a travel ban, Hamatana Banashe, and I'm shoot an ashe. I was like a show day. Okay. A castration shoe, Martin. Oh, yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. A peskin, more skinnier. Okay, no. Marty. No, but still, you Marty. If a coach and a socks, you Marty. If a bicycle, you Marty. What to be a Marty? If it's a bicycle, Marty. Yes, man. What's a bicycle? To get donation.
So please, if you're in UK and you have clothes that I don't wear them again, please keep them safe for me. I'll come and collect them. No matter where you are in UK, I'll come and pick them up for myself. And if you're in Ghana and you have some clothes that you want to distribute or share, kindly contact my number on the screen below and I'll come and collect them, okay? And if you're in America, please keep them safe as well. I'm making talks with some people and I will make sure that door to door or these delivery people will come and collect them, okay? Let's make these kids happy. And once again, on the 25th of December, we're going to ANKAFUL prisons to celebrate the Christmas with them, the prisoners or the inmates, okay? So if you want to join, you can meet me at ANKAFUL prisons. Or if you want to contribute, sponsor or donate, you can send your Momo to this number on the screen. And also, if you have food item of good and want to bring them personally, you can meet me at ANKAFUL prisons on the 25th of December, which is this Sunday coming. And let's celebrate the Christmas with the prisoners at ANKAFUL prisons. God bless you all. Kindly share the video, follow the page, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, Cooking with Sindaco. Let's meet again for Shazam Manezo or Kodo.